welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. Today is the 18th of August. In today's video, I'm going to be going over 7 strategies for trading crypto or anything else, I guess, but we'll be using crypto as the example. I don't trade anything else. Just checking to make sure that there's sound. All right, so for this video, what you will need is TradingView. If you don't have TradingView downloaded to your computer, head on over to TradingView. You can download the free version of it. It's available for free. So just there's a link below the video. Head on over, check that out. You can register with TradingView. Like I said, it's free. If you want to make a bigger if you want to make a purchase of the platform, of the indicators, then you can do that. You can upgrade it. The free version gives you, I think, 3 indicators, which is enough for this video, enough to try out the different trading strategies I'm going to go over today. And it'll be enough to be used. So you don't need to get a membership. You don't need to upgrade your TradingView right this instant. It's the free one that's offered is good enough. But in the future, I did have the pro account in the past. It was great to use, and then my membership expired, and I just never bothered renewing it. So there, but okay, here we go. So the first one, I'm using the Bitcoin tether indicator on the daily chart. First thing you might want to do is go over let me just indicators. Where are the indicators? Okay, the indicators are at the top here. I'm gonna make it visible, I think. I seem to have cut it off. The indicators. This jazz here on the side. Alrighty, I think that's better. Okay. So on the side, you've got different charting tools. At the top here are the indicators right here. That's where they are. So what you want to do first is create one of these suckers. This is a floating bar that gives you all your favorites here. And basically the way you can set it up is by going to the indicators or to the charting tools and selecting one and just choosing the star. If you click on the star, the indicators, the charting tools will pop up on your bar, if you noticed. Ding dong. So these are the basic ones. What I have set up is the trending line. This is the Fibonacci retracement. This is the trend-based Fibonacci retracement. There's a brush horizontal ray which shoots out a ray based on wherever I point. It just shoots a ray towards the end of the screen. This is a path. You can create a path of how different things move. And then there is a vertical line similar to the horizontal one, and this creates a line all across the screen. So these are the tools that I have for charting on the TradingView. Okay, so the first one, first thing that we need is the simple sessions indicator. So we'll go to go to the indicators right here, and those are my favorite indicators. I don't want the favorite indicators. Where are the regular ones? Okay, right here. So go to search and type in simple sessions by this guy right here, the 3rd floor. Click on that, and that'll add it directly to the chart. If you noticed, simple sessions is an indicator that shows you the sessions that are being traded on the different markets, London and whatever else. If you go to the tools, you've got the US session, European session, mixed US European, and Asia Tokyo session, and they have different color indicators. You can't see them very well here, so for this video I'll make them a little bit darker so you can see them a little bit more. European session, of course the screen gets all wonky, and then okay, so this is on the daily. I don't know what time frames these indicators work on best. This is on the 1 minute time frame, which is a bit odd here. This is a better visible, easier, more easier to see, but yeah, I don't know. This is on the 30 minute. Let's see, on the 1 hour, 4 hours, and on the day it just turns into blue stripes, like all the other sessions disappear apparently. So maybe the 1 hour sessions, I guess. Okay, so that's the first one. The first indicator, 1 hour sessions. Okay, what else do we need to add? I'm just looking them up, so that's why it's taking me a little bit of time here. Simple trading sessions. Yeah, this is it. So it's only the simple trading session indicator that you need to add here to this pup. And the idea behind it is you follow the sessions. You know, if the trading sessions open in the different markets, there's an expectation that the volume will spike, right? Because there's more people trading. So like the US and the London sessions will have a lot more volatility, a lot more movement, because there's a lot more people trading during these sessions. The Tokyo session, on the other hand, is not as busy as the other two, so you wouldn't expect too much volume coming out of those. So US session is in red, European session is in green, and the Asian session is in blue, which seems to be the biggest one on this indicator. US session, European, red, green. So we've got red here, green here. This is a mixed one, and the Tokyo session seems to be the biggest session here. How valid this indicator is? Well, by the way, I didn't even jump into the market. Okay, the market is red. Everything's dumping. Everything's dumping. Bitcoin is taking a beating. $27,000, $1.1 trillion market cap, and $54 billion in trading volume. Pumped up on the trading volume, probably because everybody's selling the market. So okay, so this session, the idea behind this would be to just have a go and see if you can catch the volume, spiking volume. See if you have the free trading view, you keep getting advertisements all the time. You follow the volume and hope that you can catch good trades in that. But as you can see, I'm not sure that this indicator, this trading strategy is the best one. So let's move right along and jump to the next one. And like I said, the free trading view, the free version of trading view allows only one indicator. So if you want to check out this indicator, put it on your save it as your favorite. You can do that by going, if you click on it in the indicators, just you do it the same way that you would technical indicators, and you choose your indicator that you want to save to your favorites, and just click the star button, and then you've got yourself a favorite. So, but for next one, we'll clear that off, and let's have a go at the next Fibonacci trading strategy. This is from the moving average. The moving average is a channel that posts these shorts. For the first one, I'm not sure that it was all that great. Right, so for the next one, he's using Fibonacci retracement, but the Fibonacci retracement is set up in a specific way, and you can save your different layouts in TradingView. Let's see here quickly. Okay, so Fibonacci retracement. Let's go here. Where are we? So this is a upward moving trend. Unfortunately, we've got a downward moving trend. So let's I don't know, where should we start? Let's start over here and move it down. There's a number of things that he changes here. 3. This will be changed to a 5. 5. And also the colors to green. This one is white, this one is yellow, and this one's yellow. I'm pretty sure I changed this all before. And 0.8. So this was, oopsies, not 10. We're gonna turn these two off, and I guess we can change which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll change this one. This should be this is a negative 1.618. Very different setup. We'll turn this off. This will turn into a negative 0.618, and this one's off. This is a 1, and negative 0.382, and we'll change the colors. This is green. This one green, and this one will be white. Okay, you can save this as a template. So if you go to the bottom here, you can click on, I don't know if you can see this. Go to template, you can save as, let's call this the TMA fib. I already have, let's see, I have it saved. TMA fib. Okay, and here it is. You could change also the background shading if it's too much. You can change that by simply going again to here and background, just make it less prominent. And so the idea, I guess, is behind this
Only use these settings, please. Price starts at 1, goes to 0, comes down to retrace at the Fibonacci gold zone between the 0.5 and the 0.618, which means this price went up and came down and retraced 61.8% of the current move up. It's almost a guarantee if it rejects off of this area to hit this first price target.
So the idea is, I guess on this one, is he's talking about the price moving upwards. We're having downward movement. So the gold zone is right here, 05.618. So right now Bitcoin's bouncing on the zero right here at 27,000, and if it breaks back up above this line, then you'd go long, I guess, or if it hits around here. So yeah, this strategy, maybe. Let's have a look, see if we can find something better here. Maybe right here, moving upwards. Let's do that one here. So, yeah, okay. So the price broke above, and
target. The second price target is the negative 382.
Basically, whenever the idea is that whenever the price breaks above a certain level, you can expect it to go to the next level, right? So over here, you've got the price of Bitcoin hit. Let me just change this a little bit more so it's a bit more visible again. Background noise. We don't need the background noise at all. So here is Bitcoin testing the line. It didn't break above it. Here it tested, broke above, but then broke below. Here it closed above, and so the idea would be to enter a trade right here. And despite the fact that it broke below, it did go above the trend line. And I guess your take profit would be at this position. You could probably take some of the profit off the table, not closing everything. So take your initial investment and whatever additional profit you may have made, and then leave some of it in, because obviously the price continued upwards, and so you would have made a lot more gains here. Let's see if we can find another one here. Let's say over here. Maybe right here. Yes, that would be maybe the idea. Link. So yeah, same idea. Here you've got Bitcoin breaking above the golden ratio, and it bounces around here a couple of times. It remains here within this range, 0.382 and 0.5, and then it breaks above 0.382, at which point you could have entered a trade, I guess, somewhere around here, and then made a profit by going above this trade line, above the zero. So that's the second strategy. So for that, again, check out the settings. You need to have them set to negative 6.618, negative 0.3820, and then 3, 2, 5, 618, and 1 for the bottom. I'm not really liking this strategy too much, to be honest. So let's have a look at the next one here. Where is this opening up? Opening up in the wrong. Okay, there you go.
I tested this trading strategy at 200 times and found it has an 89% win rate.
So
first,
this is a strategy from the Power of Trading. What do we need here? Support and resistance levels with breaks. Okay, so let's clear this off here first. Remove 3 drawings. They're called drawings because you're drawing stuff, doodling up on the chart, on the daily. Alrighty, so the indicator we're looking for is resistance, support and resistance levels with breaks by Lux Algo. Click on that. That'll put it up, and so these are the resistance and support levels. See if there's another chart. Sometimes there are two. You have to adjust it to 15, 15, 20. So this is the default. These are the default settings. So leave it at that, I think. Yep. And the second one is trend regularity adaptive moving average by Lux Algo. So let's find that. Trend adaptive moving average. This is it by Lux Algo, and that'll spit it out on the chart as well. So here, that's the chart here. That's the indicator rather. And the settings for this one, you need to have at 99 and close, I guess. No, we changed that to 15. We change that to 15. The length needs to be changed to 15. And that obviously moves the indicator here to this level. We've got the resistance here, and the blue lines are the support. Resistance and support. So whenever price moves through a certain level and then draws back down, it shoots out this indicator, the resistance level. But it is a temporary thing, obviously. So on a daily, this is resistance for a duration of, how many days would that be? Let's see, this is 45 days. So I guess it created resistance for 45 days, although it never actually reached that resistance ever again after this one time. And same that goes for the support. It created support for 17 days, and the same thing. Basically, this thing bounced around between the support and resistance for like a good chunk of the month. So I'm not sure how effective that is. It would be kind of hard to make gains on this. So let's throw this up on the 1 minute chart. See if we can make better heads and tails out of it. And right now everything's dumping. So if you're shorting Bitcoin right now, making mine profits, congratulations. So on the 1 minute chart,
plotted automatically thanks to the indicator. If the price ever breaks through the resistance with a certain volume threshold, you will get a buy signal like this. You would enter here. You exit the position when the red line starts decreasing in value, so you would have did your position right here. Trading strategy at 200 times.
Right, so the idea is you follow the trauma line, and basically if it breaks below the point of support, you get a buy signal, right, like right here. And so you would have entered your trade right here, and that would have given you some good profits. Okay, same idea over here. The buy signal is right here. So I wonder, these signals are delayed. So if you notice, the buy signal indicator is right here on this wick, on this candle, and the trauma line actually breaks below the support a couple of minutes later. So if you if the buy signal pops up at the same time as the candle breaking below support, then you are in a good position to enter. But if it breaks at the same time as the trauma indicator breaks below support, then you'd be a few minutes late. And if you notice, so it broke right here on this wick, and this wick was significantly lower than the wick where the buy signal is present. So okay, so there's a buy signal here. This is on the 1 minute chart again. There's a buy signal here, or I guess sell. This is sell because obviously you'd be shorting Bitcoin right here. And it broke below on this signal. Yeah, it broke below, and it bounced off created a new resistance and then started moving back up, and actually went back and created two sets of resistance. Created another support level here and two sets of resistance before crashing and continuing further down. So here's an indicator, a buy signal, which would have not been a very good one, obviously, because it broke above the resistance, and it just moved a small amount, and so you would have to only 0.22%, which is bupkis, which is not a lot. So what you would need to do in this case is make sure that you have your levels set properly, your stop loss, and I don't know where they are right now. Long position, short position. Yeah, okay. So you want to set your stop losses and stuff. If you were to enter this position right here, what you probably want to do is, set your how much you want to lose and how much you want to gain. But even if you set it, let's say, whoopsies, to what is it, 2%, let's say like half a percent loss in a 1 minute time frame, 50%, 0.50, let's say, and you are willing to take a 2% profit, 1%. Look at that, you obviously would not have hit it. So not a foolproof indicator. Right now I guess it's working well because the market's moving down. So okay, so this is the next one. What I will do is, what I would like to do is to put it in my favorites, because I haven't indicators. I didn't Let me put it into favorites. Now you can add alerts here and just clear it off. Remove two indicators. Okay, moving on to the next one. So this is the that was the third one, I believe. Here's the fourth one, fourth indicator, fourth strategy we're going to look at right now. Let's see how that pans out. This is again from Power of Trading on a 3-minute time frame. Let's go to the 3-minute. Oh, you can't, that's the thing, you can't set up a 3-minute time frame because TradingView allows you for certain time frames only. So the 3-minute, oh yeah, it does. Okay, we're good on 3-minute time frame. The indicator we want is the GDAX, EMA Ross by, I think this is it, by Stefano, and the second one is the MA angles.
Then go to
by JD.
the settings menu and
MA angles by JD. So we'll add that, and then we have to go to the settings menu to change stuff.
change source OHCL4 to close and threshold.
Oh, I didn't add the other one. Oh, okay. So before we go, alright, let's try that again here. MA angles by JD. Try. Oh, it is added. It's added at the bottom. Haha. Alrighty. Well then, let's go to settings and we'll change this to close.
Threshold 2 to 4.
And we'll change the 2 to 4 here, right here. Okay, so this is like a bottom indicator on a 3-minute time frame. Let's see, make sure you see that. Yeah, okay, it's right at the bottom here. Okay.
The strategy is simple. Wait for a buy signal, and then wait.
The strategy is simple, he says. Wait for the buy signal. Let's see. Where is the buy signal? This is the buy signal. I'm getting 2 buy signals right here. There's a buy signal. Here's a buy signal. Is that a buy signal as well? I wonder. This would be a sell signal, I guess.
For the MA angle to turn green.
So you've got the sell signal, and you would need the MA angle to turn red, I guess. There it is, turning red. Presumably, that would be the idea. And then you enter your trade right here. There's no buy signals, no sell signals right here. Let's see if we can find another one here somewhere. Here's a sell signal, angles turning red. Here the MAA angle right here below, right here, if you see. Let me just throw this line here down. Okay. So here it turned red. Here's another one right here. This would be another one, but this would not have been a good one. I guess maybe a good buy signal, but it's a bit late. So if you get the signal right here, and let's say you bought it, I don't know, halfway through, or even here, you'd be at a loss again. So not too great. Over here is another buy signal. Let's see. But there is no the indicator on the MAA is actually going in the opposite direction, kind of like a I don't know, bearish divergence. Here's an indicator or buy signal rather, right here, and the angle does actually go in the red right here. Here's another indicator, another signal, buy signal, and this would be to buy, but again you'd be at a loss here because the market's going down essentially. Here's a buy signal right here. What buy signal is that? That's already like halfway through. This is a selling signal, which should have popped up like right here, but it didn't, because the 2 lines on the DAX EMA have not crossed. So anytime the 2 lines on the EMA crossover, that's the buying signal. This one worked right here. This buying signal worked. You've got a bit of a pump in a 3-minute. So this one, something to play around with. May not be the worst, actually. This went down. So again, you have to set your risk to reward ratios and be aware of those. Okay, moving on to the next strategy. Let's see here. This one again is from Magic Indicator Strategies. Okay, let's see what this one does.
View and open any volatile market. Select a time frame between 5 minutes and 1 hour.
So let's go to like 15 minutes here. Time on a time frame.
When analyzing price action for a long entry, the following must be met. First,
this one's a bit longer, so let's take a little minute to go through this one.
With this magic indicator, you'll never be wrong again in predicting market trends. This method has worked for hundreds of traders and will work for you. First, go to TradingView and open any volatile market. Select a time frame between 5 minutes and 1 hour. Click on the Indicators menu and install Easy Algo V8.
Alrighty, Easy Algo V8. It's Easy Algo V8. You can't install it. You know why you can't install it? Because it's a paid paid script. So you would have to go to Magic Indicator Strategies, most likely, and then get it from there. Or it might be that it comes with a purchase of a membership on TradingView. Let's try that again. Easy. I'll go. It is this guy here, but position size calculator, but it's not V8 version 8.1. Yeah, no, this is a paid.
You can find the indicator link in the comments.
Right. Okay. So let's go. See if I can get that. Yeah, it just takes you to a website basically, and you sign up, and you have to purchase the you'll have to purchase the indicator. So that scraps it, because it's not a free indicator. Maybe a good one, who knows? I mean, there's so many indicators that are good, supposed to be good, but yeah, okay, so never mind this strategy. That goes right out the window. We want the free stuff right now. Okay, moving on to the next one.
I tested this trading strategy 100 times and found it has an 88% win rate.
This again is from Power of Trading Strategy, so I think it's the same one, isn't it? No, this was Magic of Trading. This is Power of Trading. Okay.
First, you want to go to TradingView. I'll leave a link in my bio. Then click the Indicators tab. First, type in BJTSI. Make sure it's
BJTSI. So let's go here. BJTSI. 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 This is it by Bjorgum. We'll add that. That's at the bottom.
It's this one by Bjorgum. Add one more indicator called the BJTSI arrow.
BJTSI arrow, that's just the one right below here. We'll add this one as well.
Go to the settings of the first indicator.
Settings of the first indicator, okay. That's this guy here. And we need to make some changes here. Oh no, that's not the arrow. We need the arrows one.
And make sure you change the long length to 50 or short length to 10.
Alright, so this would change to 50 and this one to 10. That's it.
Select time frame 1 minute, and you also trade in any time frame. The strategy is pretty simple. You'll get your arrow plotted automatically thanks to the indicator. At the same time, second indicator below create a red zone. You will.
Alrighty, so let's see here, because it works with two indicators. Look at all these arrows here. That's a simple strategy. I'm not sure if that is a simple strategy, man. You're just getting bombarded with a bunch of arrows. Let's see. Let's see if this is a simple strategy.
You'll get a sell signal like
Yes.
this. You would enter here. You exit the position when the up arrow create. So you would have exited. I tested this trading strategy 100.
Alrighty, so the idea is when you get a selling arrow, the yellow one, and I guess below here you would expect the BJTSI. Why is it BJ? That's an odd name. Anyway, the BJ Bjorn TSI to break below the line that would give you the best signal, I guess, which would be around here. Yeah, so that's on this candle. So that's when you would enter a sell, but there is no closing of the signal. So you probably would want to be closing over here, which kind of is a little late already, because you'd be back up and break even. And if you had your stop loss set, then you probably would have been closed off, and then you'd be made to open another trade. This one is quite successful. As you can see, Bitcoin continues to dump. over here, let's see, have a look at earlier here at some trading stuff. Let's see over here. Yeah, there's a signal here. You get the line, you get two arrows, one here and one here. It does indeed break below right after it, and then you would be closing it right here. So yeah, this one's in profit. Yeah, this is a little in profit here, not a lot, but I guess it would be in profit if you're doing you know, futures trading, trading on leverage. That would work for you. And over here as well, let's see, here is a sell indicators. This one I guess you would want to enter right here. If it breaks below, that would be the idea. So that's on this indicator right here, or on this arrow right here. You've got confluence here, yellow, and break below, and then you would be closing it over here, which actually didn't actually break above. You, I guess, technically should have closed over here, which would have been a better return. But so yeah, this indicator looks interesting. Might be something worth taking a look. So that's the BJ Arrows indicator and the BJTSI by Biodrum. Fantastic. Okay, I think there's a couple more indicators here. Let's see the next one here.
Here are two indicators that
So this is again power of trading
will
strategies.
completely change the way you look at the market. First, go to Trading View.
We are.
Go to the Indicators tab and type in Bollinger plus RSI.
Alrighty, so the indicator we want is Bollinger plus RSI. Bollinger plus RSI. Double strategy by Chart Art 1.1. This is it. So click that.
Choose this first one right here. This indicator shows us the momentum of the chart. Next, you want to also add an indicator called PP Signal Super Smoother.
PP Signal Super Smoother. PP Signal Super Smoother by PP Signal Super Heiken-Ashi Trend Follow. Interesting. Okay.
This one right here. Now open the indicator setting and disable some options.
Now you gotta open the indicator settings and disable a bunch of options, yo. So we go to style. So this is the PP Signal Super Smoother. You go to style, and there's a lot of this stuff that you need to turn off. Let me just run this again.
Here are two indicators that will completely change the way you.
I think you have to turn off the baseline. Because otherwise your chart is a bit messy. Yeah, we turn off the basis line shadows. Background fast is also turned off. Central channel is turned off. Central channel lower off. Upper off. And this one off. Turn off the trigger. Both triggers and CFB. And the uptrend and low trend as well. And bar color, I'm not sure, it doesn't say there. But oh wow, I can median shadows, that's fine. I can smooth body, that's gone. And central lower and upper fill closed. Basically all these closed. That's it. Okay. That's a lot of closing. Alrighty. So close all of these.
If you want to take long trades, the market price is higher the middle Bollinger Band.
So this is Bollinger Bands, obviously, and using the Heikin-Ashi, which I guess overlay. They're not actually here. You can see the Heikin-Ashi. So it just, the goal is to keep the colors, I guess, of the different, see the candles are now in different colors, indicating different things. Heikin-Ashi are an interesting set of candles. If you're interested in learning that, then you should.
Then you want the second indicator line to be green. Stop loss set the previous low.
Right. Short position, I guess, maybe. So we could probably go like, let's say, where is it? Green. Green, I guess maybe red. And so that would be it. Stop loss. Stop loss to be at about here, I guess. No higher than these candles. That's your stop loss, just in case price turns against you. You don't want to lose any more than that. And
book profit 1:2.
And 1 to 2. So if your stop loss is at 26%, then your profit would be, I guess, yeah, around here, 56. What is it? 40 or 52? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that would be your profit. And obviously, the profit would have been a lot better. A lot better. Not sure what the time frame would be. Maybe, you know, the bigger time frames you use, the better it is, because obviously the price fluctuates very drastically between times. So the longer the time, or the bigger the time frame, the better chances are of you safeguarding your funds a little bit, less volatility, so to speak, on a larger time frame. All right, let's have a look here at another one.
So here the price is moving downwards the middle Bollinger Band line.
All right. Let's see if we can find a decent time frame, something to work with. So we're looking at the middle Bollinger Band here, like right here. It's moving downwards.
Then the second,
I guess maybe this one here. That would be it.
Indicator line is red and closes below the line. Now
yeah, okay, so it's moving below. There's the second red line moving below.
Trade and make amazing profit.
And you'd open a short position. I guess like right here again. You want to make sure that you're protected. So let's say this is 41%. And you'd be aiming at 82% gains, yeah? 1 to 2 ratio. Let's say 83. And so, yeah, that would be a good trade. And if you had kept it longer, you'd be making mass profits, because Bitcoin is dumping on you like crazy right now towards this. This is on the 15-minute chart, Bollinger Bands.
Here are two indicators. So
this is another interesting strategy. Might be something worth considering. And actually, that's the last strategy. So that's it. That's the 7 strategies that I wanted to go over. This video was a little bit longer. This live was a little longer than normally intended, 45 minutes or 50 minutes almost. But I hope that it's educational. I forgot to look. There's so this is run in a tester in the Pine editor here. You've got the PP Signal Super Smoother. I think this is it. Let's see. No, that's not it. Is it here, RSI? Yeah, okay. So that's running in the Pine editor. If you switch between the different time frames, it'll give you a different profit margin. So if it's run on the 30-minute time frame, you see your net profit is at 3,000. If it's run on the 1 hour, you've got a higher profit. If it's run on 1 minute, 2 minutes, oopsies, 2 minutes is not available, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes you're in a minus. List of trades, there were 18 trades taken. Let's say on the 30-minute, because that was a profitable performance here. Overview. Yeah, on the 30-minute time chart, the trading strategy comes up in net profit. List of trades, there are 24 trades taken on this strategy. Let's have a look here. But yeah, overview, fine editor. There's the strategy right here. Alrighty, so that's it for today. Live. I hope this was educational, interesting. I hope that you can use some of these trading strategies. I think 2 or 3 were relatively decent. I can't remember right now. But if you are interested in using them, then make sure to smash up the likes. If you like them, support the channel by subscribing. Rewatch the video, of course. You've got a collection of all these strategies, and highlight the ones that are best, and then you know, share the love. Thank you for tuning in. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.